while my car is being serviced. They have a really nice waiting area slash coffee shop here at this. So they have a nice sofa. This is Juvel commercial. This is where you usually go whenever there needs to be repaired. So we're gonna have some refreshments later while waiting for the car being serviced. What's the name of the coffee shop? Excuse me, what's the ngalan na nga shop?
Juvel, sir.
Di ka rin coffee shop lang.
Abuelos Garage Cafe.
Okay, thank you. You can have some coffee, relax, even watch TV while waiting for your car being serviced. So while waiting, we're gonna have some refreshments here at Abuelos coffee shop at Juvel's commercial while the car is being serviced. Over there. So let's have some refreshments. I have ginger ale, some ginger ale while waiting for the car. It's one of the cleanest car repair center here in the Philippines that I've experienced. So this is in Valencia, Bukidnon. So if you have problems with your car, I recommend this place. It's very convenient, it's very clean. They have this waiting area. Once in a while you're gonna have maintenance issues, but I think that's part of owning a car. So in everything in life, I think there's an advantage and disadvantage. I think it's part of the fun of owning a car. I'll end the vlog here and enjoy the rest of my ginger ale here at Abuelos Garage Cafe at Juvel's commercial. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.